Hey guys and gals, Jeremy Lucas with Landmark Ford here in Springfield, Illinois on another how-to minute on a 2023 F-150. As you see, this one just came in inventory because it still has the wrapping. I took it off the seat so it doesn't make a bunch of noise, but I want to show you how the pre-collision assist works in a new 2023 F-150. The pre-collision assist will turn on an alert to help support for forward collision scenarios on or off. So it will send you a photo in the display behind the steering wheel telling you if there's a crash imminent. And if need be, it has the auto emergency braking system on. So if you do not notice the accident, it will add the brakes for you. If you got kids, if you're occupied by your cell phone, or you're eating while you're driving, having a pre-collision assist on your F-150 could be a thing that you may need. Check us out at landmarkford.net for more how-to videos.